guys, welcome to Compound Body once again today. And today I want to teach you how to do the alternating Superman. So, the Superman is really used to work the lower back muscle. So we're talking about anywhere around the lumbar area, just to make sure to strengthen that lower back along with the top of the glutes, just to give you a good strong posture, gain strength, and to lose overall fat within that area and to develop muscular endurance. Okay, but before we get on to that, please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel as we have more great videos coming up. So with the Superman, firstly you want to lay on the ground like this. Then what you want to do is to stretch both arms. Away from the body like this. The next thing that you want to do is make sure both legs they're fully stretched. Okay, after you doing that, you want to take the right arm or the left arm with the opposite leg. So let's start with the left arm with the right leg. Okay, so what you're going to do is to stretch the arm out, lift it off the ground like this, keeping your head neutral with the spine. Then you're going to take the right leg and lift it off the ground just like that, matching both left arm and right leg. Then you're going to lower both at the same time, just like you can see, and lift. Lower, lift. Be sure not to let the legs or the arm touch the ground once you've started the exercise. Lift as high as you can get. Then you want to take the next arm, the next leg, and do the same. Just like that. Alright guys, and that's how you do the alternating Supermans. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.